In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change the email address associated with your Behance profile. Since Behance uses your Adobe ID for authentication, updating your email here essentially means you're updating the email on your Adobe ID itself. Let's walk through this process to ensure you can seamlessly make this change without any hassle. First, you'll want to go over to Account Adobe.com Profile and sign in. It's important to use the current email address that is linked to your Adobe account, as this ensures you can access the necessary information and updates. Once you've logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you find exactly what you're looking for without unnecessary backtracking. Now, scroll down until you see a section labeled Account Information and Access. Here is where all your basic yet crucial account details are stored. You'll notice an option next to Primary Email, often labeled as Adobe ID, which represents the email address currently associated with your account. This is the part we're focusing on today. You'll see a Change button right next to this email address. Go ahead and click on that. Changing the email can feel like a big step, but Adobe has designed this process to be pretty straightforward. Once you've clicked the Change button, you'll be prompted to enter the new email address you wish to associate with your Adobe account. Make sure this is an active email that you can easily access, as you'll need to interact with it shortly for verification purposes. After typing in your new email address, you simply hit the Change button to proceed. But we're not done just yet. There's an important verification step coming up. Head over to your new email inbox. Adobe will have sent you a confirmation link or code, depending on how they handle verification. They're doing this to make sure it's really you making the change. Once you find that email, follow the instructions provided to confirm and verify this new email address. And there you have it. As soon as you've completed the verification process, your Adobe ID email is successfully updated. This newly updated email is what you'll use the next time you log into Behance, so keep it handy and secure. Remember, keeping your account information up to date is a great way to ensure you stay connected to all your creative projects without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and hopefully, this guide made the process of changing your Behance-associated email straightforward and stress-free. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!